I noticed something very interesting today. One couple were literally confessing their love like they were in a Disney musical. Ooh, babe, I love the way you belch. She said, ooh, your snore sounds like music to me, baby. Meanwhile, two tables down, another couple looked like they were in a Mortal Kombat Relationship Edition.
First round. Fight.
They were trading insults like boxer straight punches. And it got me thinking, what is the difference between these two couples? And more importantly, why are so many people quietly heading in the same angry direction? We spend years studying for careers, but no one teaches us how to build a relationship. Perhaps there's a blueprint and there are principles, but most people would rather guess than grow. Love isn't just felt, it is learned, nurtured, and sustained. Maybe it's time we stopped winging it. You're welcome.